Welcome back to this special interview. We continue to speak with innovators and companies bringing services and products in an innovative way right here in the 5th edition of Make It in the Emirates. Our guest today is the CTO of HS Group, one of the main players in this food ecosystem. Welcome, Nedal Mustafa. You were telling me how you work on different pillars. Give us a quick brief of HS Group and your role in this ecosystem.
Hi, thank you for having me. HS Group is basically a group of companies under one main umbrella, which is called HS Group. It branches out into three main pillars. The first one is engineering consultancy, which includes design and supervision and studies and planning for infrastructure projects in the construction industry. The second pillar is the infrastructure development part, which is the construction company and the contracting company, which does the build-up for all those types of infrastructure. And the third pillar is the investment part, which has been added recently in the past couple of years. We have been a participant in the Make It in the Emirates for the past couple of years. But this year we added to our portfolio the food sector. So we have partnered with the food cluster. We are working under their umbrella to introduce to them our expertise in development of what's called livestock processing facilities, including slaughterhouses and all the elements involved in that entire value chain. From the production facility itself, the logistics part, packaging, cold stores, manufacturing and supplies and so forth. We have been involved in few projects inside UAE and outside UAE in development of those slaughterhouses or processing facilities, what we call them. From design, build, operate, and eventually transfer to our clients. Most of them are basically government entities in UAE and outside UAE. So this is where we come from.
Tell us a little bit more about what you hope to see from platforms like the food cluster. I mean, of course your work is very multi-layered, it's not one directional, but what do you hope to see, and what is your assessment of the current food ecosystem currently?
Okay.
In UAE.
In UAE, yes. What we have observed in the past few years, UAE's direction towards setting up a complete integrated system to align with its food security strategy.
Yes.
And to do that, they came up with what's called the food cluster. So this is where you integrate all the elements of the entire value chain, food from the farmers, producers, logistics suppliers, material suppliers, manufacturers, and so forth, integrate them all in one ecosystem and align all of those functions with the goals of UAE of establishing food security.
Very ambitious goals.
They are very ambitious goals indeed. But if it can be done anywhere, it will be in UAE, definitely. The government is very keen in achieving that goal. They are partnering with private and public as well partners. One of those partners is ours. We are engaged with UAE through other sectors in also other projects other than the food sector. So we have an established relationship with government authorities in UAE, and that gives us a leeway in delivering our message that we want to be a part and a partner of the UAE in making sure that food security is something which is in the agenda.
Throughout your work, you work with different entities, public and private. SMEs seem to be, a core focus in the UAE strategy, particularly boosting local production, decreasing this
dependency.
Yes, the dependency on the imports. Exactly. How do you feel that platforms like the food cluster and Make It in the Emirates and your role as well as a group can support SMEs in such goals?
I think the collaboration with the government first to understand the standards that are applied. This is one thing which is very, very important. To unify the standards, to make sure that everybody plays by the same rules. They are measured by the same yardstick. This is one. The guidelines and regulations are abided by everybody, and to ensure the quality of service which is being delivered to the customer at the end of the day is one. It is not negotiable. It's the same standard throughout, and this is enhancing our relationship with the regulatory body in UAE and the government entities to make sure that these are implemented, all these guidelines are implemented. SMEs are everywhere. However, to unify them all under one platform, in one ecosystem, that helps to align everybody following the same standards and guidelines throughout their manufacturing, be it or suppliers, SMEs or builders and so forth. So this is where we come from.
So when it comes to, I know you took a look, everyone catches different things in this edition, the 5th edition, Make It the Emirates. What caught your attention? I saw a lot of local brands as a visitor now, not necessarily as a partner in the companies, but what caught your attention when it comes to local production?
Well, the high tech comes.
Yes.
It's a big thing.
Innovation
and high tech is a big thing. Data analytics is a big thing. All these platforms which measure your performance, be it an SME, be it a designer, be it a contractor, be it a regulatory body, you need data to build, to regulate, to enforce the rules, to elevate your standard of quality in whatever you do. Data is a must, and I think we can see from different participants this year that there is an emphasis on that part from what I have seen in this showcase.
Before.
Yeah.
All right, maybe on last question, as a group, what do you think you would like to see as top priority in the next, I don't want to say 5 years anymore, let's say 1 to 3 years when it comes to the food sector in United Arab Emirates?
I would like to see more participation of the private sector when it comes to food security, to incorporate the energy and the expertise and the know-how, bring in farmers, producers, suppliers, integrate them encourage them to be a part of such entities and platforms like the food cluster that we have. I think that will definitely boost the efforts at the end of the day.
And participation.
Of course. And you will see, we can see the private sector playing a role in different sectors. But when it comes to the food sector, I see the influence of government is more, or presence of public is more than the private.
Yeah.
So we need to encourage, to market it, to bring those people on board from the private sector, be it SMEs, be it investors, in whichever portfolio is available. I think that will plays a big role.
Great, and that's exactly how we see the food cluster playing this role of connecting public entities to the companies and boosting and helping local production and local brands. The CTO of HS Group, Nedal Mustafa, you're our guest today on Foodcast. Thank you so much, all the best, and see you in the next edition.
Thank you, Jessica. Thank you. It's been a pleasure. Thank you.